Hello and welcome to another episode of Asana Lab. I am David Andrew Miliotis with Ashtanga Yoga Orange County here in Irvine, California. And in this video, we're going to look at some more vinyasas for a second series. In these vinyasas, the primary feature is the lift up and the jump back before and after doing the asana. So we're going to look at Ustrasana, Laghu Vajrasana, and Kapotasana. The main benefit of understanding the vinyasa properly, executing the vinyasa with more skill, is to develop more core strength connection and particularly getting the core and the arms connected together. So I'll begin in Samasthiti. Bandhas engaged, one whole body, straight, strong core. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. It's very easy for the breath to become strained, to hold or tighten the breath. So take care to initiate your breath just a hair, slightly before you execute the movement. Sapta, come to your knees. Ustrasana. Sapta, catch your waist. Inhale. Ashtanga, take position. Ustrasana. Nasagra drishti. Nava, inhale, catch your waist. Dasha, up. Ekadasha, chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. So let's look at how this movement from Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog, how it works to get into actually what we should technically call Utplutihi. It's just like jumping through to sitting, except for we keep the shins parallel. When you jump through to sitting, right, we're actually catching ourselves in our arms and then coming through. So at this moment where we're catching ourselves in our arms, where we go through, is also where we want to be when we jump back. So this is Utplutihi, the catching position. It's a type of handstand. Think of it as a type of handstand, which means we have to understand getting the center of gravity properly situated into the arms and hands. So in slow motion, we're going to drag, we're not going to jump, but we're going to lean into the hands so the hands can pull the knees up through the arms. And then if you're strong enough, you pull the knees up until you can get the feet off the floor, and then down onto the floor, landing Sapta position. Now notice that the knees, pulling the knees up, is actually from the pelvis, driving them a little forward until the weight is completely in the hands to get the feet off the floor. So if you're still down on your feet and you try to jump up, you're going to immediately come back down. So pull them forward, shift the weight more into your hands. Inhale. Catch your waist. Ustrasana. Ashtanga. Take position. Nasagra drishti. Deep breathing. Nava. Inhale, come up, catch your waist. Dasha. Same thing we just looked at. Come down into a squat with your arms like child's pose. so that the body and the knees come close together. The contraction of the waist and the thighs comes into place. And pull the knees up, bring the weight forward until you get your feet off the floor. Dip the chest down, push the legs back. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. So this is the same vinyasa we use for Laghu Vajrasana and Kapotasana. Jump into Utpluttihi, set yourself down. If you can't jump and catch yourself, then you pull. Let your toes slide on the floor and pull yourself into a controlled position, pulling with your waist, the knees up into the chest, and then down, Supta position. Laghu Vajrasana, Ashto, exhale. Take position, head back, Nasagra Drishti. Breathe. Nava, inhale. Come up, catch your waist. Dasha, lean down. So if you're not strong enough to push back, lean your hands, do the best you can to push, and as little as necessary, hop yourself back, staying over your hands. When you hop yourself back to make up for the deficiency in your arm strength, do it as little as possible. Make sure the chest is coming forward and down at the same time the legs are landing back into Chatwari. Kapotasana, Supta, inhale. Ashtanga, exhale. Using the breath, inspire your movement with your breath. Dasha, inhale, come up, catch your waist. Ekadasha, inhale, lift up. Dwadasha, Chatwari, jump back. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Be safe, stay healthy, have fun working on this jump into Utpluttihi and this Utpluttihi press back into Chatwari. Have fun with it. Don't take it overly seriously in the wrong way. Enjoy your practice always. And please always remember to breathe, inspire your movements with your breathing. And don't forget to also like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.